wishing everyone on 14th November Happy Children's Day. Today I'm at the Children's Park which is in Karanzale, which falls under Talegaon constituency. If you can see this, it's under renovation still on 14th November, which is Children's Day. 1 year ago on this very same day, I had made a video to show the bad situation of this park, and we raised a lot of issues as there was no proper toilets, no proper facilities for the children to play around. Finally, we can see something that's happening over here which is still not done. I was hoping that by the time it's 14th of November that the children would have their park ready, and today it should have been inaugurated. But today if you can see, children have come out to play. But is the place ready? It's so dangerous to see youngsters who are all around over here playing, where there are stones, where there are, it's quite risky, sharp edges. And if you see around over here, that they don't have any sand. So even if they fall down, there's nothing soft. It's all stones right now. So this is very, very risky, which is happening on Children's Day, where I can see children right now in the park in this particular state. You know, there's a saying, where there's a will, there's a way. If Amit Shah is coming down in Goa, the roads get done up, the walls get painted, even when the Prime Minister is coming down to Goa. But why are children deprived from a good park? This is what children need. Children need a park where they can play around with, because this is what helps them to get their fear out, which builds their confidence, which helps them to focus, and they get to mix around and socialize. And if children do not have this, then something is been missing in their childhood. Trust me, most of our parks in our state are not taken care of because no one values the importance of children's play area. Today, children, I make a vow to you that I will take up your issues regarding any children that want something better for themselves. Please reach out to me. Either parents can reach out to me, or the children, if you all are on Instagram or you all on the other social media platform, reach out to me and tell me what do you all want. Because I know that being a mother and being a child once upon a time, that I want a great park. Funds are there, but where the funds going, at the right place at the right time. And after building this, maintenance is very important. So please, requesting the CCP that you have delayed the children a lot of time from their play area. Please get this fixed, and I hope there are no casualties before this place really opens up. Wishing you kids Happy Children's Day, and I promise you I'm going to voice up for you all. How are you? How are you doing? Listen, who's shouting out? Cecil, hi. Happy Children's Day.